Hi, third graders. In today's phonics lesson, we discussed syllables and where to break apart the words so that you're breaking it apart into syllables. We also discussed that when a syllable ends with at least one consonant, that the vowel sound is usually a short vowel sound. So for today's activity that you're going to do independently, you are going to be using a slide that looks similar to this one. You have cards over here that you're going to draw. You have some letters that you're going to use to build the words. And then over here, you're going to be typing in this section. So the first thing you're going to do is take a card or draw a card. So I'm going to move this top part off. The first word that I came across is the word absent. So I draw the card, I read the word absent, and then I make the word with the letters. So I'm going to bring these letters down. A, B, S, E, N, and then the T. All right, so I've made the word absent. What I'm going to do is decide where I want to divide that word. So I would clap out my syllables, absent. So that means I'm going to divide it right here between the B and the S. Once I've divided the word or decided how I want to divide it, then I'm going to come up here and type those parts in. So I'm going to put ab in the first box, sent in the second box, and then in the third box, I'm going to put both syllables together and make the word absent. When I'm finished with that, I would go up here, put all of my letters back into, or up to the top, and then I would draw a new card so that I can make the next word. So I would grab this card, and I would drag it down to show me the next word. And then I would do the same thing over and over again until I've done all of the words in the card list. Have fun.